So let's begin. This match right here, it is the best match I have ever seen in this World Cup. I know there was a hat trick in the last game, but it was a lovely game. But here, I saw Messi moving like a wind. He was not stoppable. He was going left, right, center. See, I'm not trailing or doing fancy skills or anything, but he was moving normally. But it was like in slow motion. Messi was the best on the pitch. Not telling he can dominate Europe if he comes to any club in Europe, but he won't be unsuccessful. I'll tell you this for sure that if Messi plays in Europe, he won't survive for 90 minutes, but he doesn't need to. He needs to get subbed in on 68th minute. He can come, he play 30 minutes at full intensity. Messi doesn't play at full intensity, but he uses his mind a lot. He can score 3 goals, he can go home, he can win some trophies. I'm not telling that he will win all the trophies or he will be the best player in the league, but he can surely be a very good player in Europe now also. We saw the 2 matches scoring 5 goals. He has scored 7 goals in his World Cup season 2022. Out of them, 4 were penalties. I don't care. Currently, he is at 5 goals and he has scored no penalties. He'll break that record. He'll go for 8 to 10 goals in this season. I am damn sure. Supposed to be a analysis video or a strategical video. So let's move towards there. Glazing Messi 2 minutes or 5 minutes later. Messi. Who is Messi? Now it's afterwards. Argentina. They played good. Defense was strong. They were cramping up. Did some good or cheap tricks, you can say. They were not amazing, but they were not bad. Means literally, Lautaro Martinez had an okay good run. They were not attackers weren't finishing. Except Messi, a player double your age or almost 10 to 15 years older than you is scoring is the only Argentina has reached plus 5 GA in this World Cup. Argentina has reached plus 5 goal difference and it has a only lone scorer. No other team has a lone scorer. Argentina has scored 5 goals in this tournament in 2 matches, and it was scored by only one player, the God Great himself. Okay, see, I'll go and tell about. Medina played fine. Lisandro Martinez played fine. Romero played fine. Fernandez played fine. Lautaro played okay. Almada played okay. De Paul played. See, De Paul didn't play properly good, but he was putting efforts, and that was meant a lot because when you play with Messi, mostly there is 10 men at defense, not 11 men. Messi does intercept the ball, but he will not run for the ball. Maybe sometimes he will run, but not always. A player should run always, but Messi gives something greater or wiser on the pitch. Because of that, he doesn't need to defend the ball all the time. So other 10 men need to run a lot. DePaul was covering that for Messi. Dibu, I loved his save, the free kick in the second half. He was flying. He just took the ball, touched the ball went away, and it was cleared in later. But Dibu, Emi Martinez is the best keeper for me in World Cup under pressure. Let's go from starting. Penalty conceded by Stefan Posch after a foul in the penalty area. No other player will take the penalty. Ah, VR decision, penalty for Argentina. Penalty Messi ने लिया. He scored out of the goal. So he didn't score. That means missed. I was pissed. भाई पागल है क्या? ये 3 गोल मार दिया लास्ट गेम में तो हवे में है क्या? मेसी है कोई भगवान नहीं. And माफ करना, मैं कान पकड़ता हूँ. बट मेसी भगवान ही है फुटबॉल का. फॉर मी ही इज गॉड ऑफ फुटबॉल. यस, लेट्स गो. मेसी मिसेस द पेनल्टी. फाउल. छोड़ो, मेरे को ये नहीं पढ़ने का. फर्स्ट गोल, लवली गोल. लेफ्ट में बॉल आया, क्रॉस इन होना चाहिए था, अंदर माइनस हुआ. मेसी ने प्रॉपर टाइम पे प्रॉपर जगह मारा. सेकंड गोल सेकंड हाफ में लेटर, इसमें राइट में बॉल था. मेसी ट्रिपल किया थोड़ा आगे, मेसी ने एक अमेजिंग पास किया अल्वारेस के सामने कीपर था, गोल था, उसके गोलकीपर के पीछे थोड़ा दूर एक प्लेयर था, अल्वारेस को कटिंग करके शॉट लेना था, अल्वारेस ने गंदा कटिंग किया, बॉल मेसी के पास आया, मेसी ने स्कॉर्पियन टाइप टच लिया, मेसी ने एक शूट फेंट किया, 4 प्लेयर फेंट, उसके बाद उसने एक और शूट ट्राई किया, ब्लॉक हुआ, बाहर आया बॉल, ऑस्ट्रिया का नंबर 6 और मेसी दोनों बॉल पे जा रहे। अब सोचो ऑस्ट्रिया का नंबर 6 प्लस सीवाल्ड, मेरे को इस पे मोर अबाउट निकोलस सीवाल्ड, मेरे को इसका एज देखना है कितने 2001, 25 इयर्स का है ये, ठीक है, बॉर्न 4th में, अभी इसका बर्थडे हुआ 25 इयर्स का, लेट्स गो। 25 इयर्स का बंदा वर्सेस 13 इयर्स का बंदा, फिटनेस वाइज 25 इयर्स का बंदा प्रोबेबली 15 साल छोटा है उससे, तो फास्ट होना चाहिए। वो अटैक से फेंट हुआ, वो जा रहा है शॉट की तरफ, मेसी जा रहा है, मेसी एक्सटेंड्स हिज लेफ्ट लेग, ही इज फॉलिंग, मेसी इज अ 5'7" guy, he is a small guy, he takes the shot, he falls down, it was a nutmeg of number 6 Nicolas Sewald, and the other defender tries to block, but it was meant to go in the goal, because when Messi took a shot, it was Messi who took a shot. For me, Messi is the best player of all time, the best human to ever touch the ball in this game, and currently the best attacker, or the most or sensible player of this game. See, I know I have to talk about Argentina versus Austria, what mistakes Austria made, what mistakes Argentina made. I know that. I have to talk about that things. But why should I? I literally can talk about one guy for hours. Literally. This is the greatest player. This is the goal. 2006 में एक अच्छी शुरुआत हुई थी इस बंदे की, और ये बंदा अलग लेवल पे, इसने अपना पहला गोल इस जर्सी में मारा था, अब इसने इसका 18वां वर्ल्ड कप का गोल, द हाईएस्ट टू एवर। हाँ, ये क्लोजे के साथ ड्रॉ पे था 16 गोल्स पे, फिर इसने 17वां गोल मारा इसके गेम में आज, इसने 18वां गोल मारा, पेनल्टी मिस किया, पेनल्टी अगर मार देता तो हैट्रिक मारता, बट मेरे को लग रहा है जॉर्डन, सी ऑस्ट्रिया और क्या, ऑस्ट्रिया और अल्जीरिया आर वीक टीम्स, आई नो, बट जॉर्डन, सी अल्जीरिया और जॉर्डन का मैच है कुछ टाइम में, अल्जीरिया और जॉर्डन का मैच हो गया, नहीं अल्जीरिया और जॉर्डन का मैच बचा है, उसके बाद 28 जून को जॉर्डन और अर्जेंटीना का मैच है। If you tell me Messi will not score in that game, this is basically, I don't want to talk about the Argentina versus Austria game, because I am a Messi fan and I love this game, and I can't think statistically or strategically what mistakes Austria made or what mistakes Argentina made. I can just see Messi play the ball. It was like defense से ball attack पे गया, Messi लिया, Messi ने attack बनाया, it was a mess in the D box, ball came out, Messi was there. Messi summons himself in the most prominent position of the game, and in the most prominent way he scores the goal. The best player. See, I'll tell you this much. After the second goal, I was so thankful it wasn't on tape. But when Messi scored the second goal, I was so mad. I tackled a chair and a wall. Tomorrow, soon with France. अभी फ्रांस का मैच चालू होगा, so I have to see it. Like the video, subscribe if you are a Messi fan. If you are not a Messi fan, कुछ तो क्रेजी आने वाला है तुम लोग के लिए, जो मेसी फैन नहीं है, जो मेसी फैन नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते, जो मेसी को बेस्ट प्लेयर नहीं मानते, उनके लिए बहुत क्रेजी कंटेंट आने वाला है। लेट्स गो, बाय बाय।